Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today.
I'm starting today with a printout of a background I made a long time ago, and just going to apply a lot of paint for a little while. This video, like so many others, is going to be at double speed. I started with brayering and now just doing some sponging. The point here is to just start putting stuff down that you like. And now some stamping with acrylic paint. And then this is my very favorite stencil from Stencil Girl. This one kind of wiggles when I use it. There's another one that's almost just like it, so maybe this isn't my favorite. It might be tied. I'm trying to knock the color back with some white, and ends up I knock a little bit too much back. Now, there's going to be a digital download of this masterboard if you want to get it over on my website. I'll put a link below. It's my first attempt at posting a digital print, so let me know what you think of that idea. I have to admit I did not do this all at one time, and I had a really bad cold on this part of the video, so I'm doing voiceover. But the next day I start talking, LOL. Alright, that looks good. Okay, got a little too much white, need a little bit more dark. So I'm going to come in with something smaller and just add a few circles here and there. The whole thing with these masterboards is that you can cut them apart, and so you don't have to view it as one whole thing, you view it as pieces. So I might really like this piece for a card, or this piece for part of my journal. That looks good, but it needs something else. Maybe regular dots? Okay, this has a good mix of light and dark. The magenta and the dark purple are spread around. The light purple and the blue are spread around. Though I do believe I'm going to have to come back and do some black or Payne's gray. Well, I'm back. Hello. I want to come back in with some Payne's gray, and it might have a tinge of purple mixed to it because that was on the palette. And I just want to do some tiny lines. So let's see. I may have too much paint on this. Oh, that's so pretty. I wonder if y'all have noticed I'm easily excited. And I laugh easily. Oh, this is just the perfect finishing touch. Got some on the back. Let me clean that off. Now, I buy all my stencils at a local stamp and stencil kind of art store, and I'm addicted. Every time I go in there, I walk out with the stencil, and sometimes when I see one somebody else is using online, I will have them order it for me because I'm trying to support my local business. So the only ones I've ever ordered online were from artists who cut them themselves. Not by hand, I don't think. I think they used a Cricut. Oh my God. I'm in love. I think you hear me say that every time I pull out a new stencil, don't you? Ah! Did I just go out of... No? And this is like the reverse. You could outline it with this and fill it in with that one, but I'm just looking for lines here. Letting my pouncer thing get real light on the paint so I get some shadowy, smaller ones. Oh, this is awesome. If I'm not careful, I'll cover the whole damn thing with it. Alright, I am going to declare that one done. That's just awesome.
Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe.